Hey, I'm Olivier, Statistics Officer at the Pacific Community, where I've been working for now 7 years. Today I'd like to talk to you about the data you might use for this third edition of the Pacific Data Challenge. So come with me and let's have a look at those labor force tables.
So these are some of the labor force tables that you can use for this challenge. So you have here the NEET, Youth Not in Education, Employment or Training. So this is a Sustainable Development Goal Indicator, an SDG. You also have the population by labor force and employment status, labor force participation rates and unemployment rates, employed population by education, occupation and economic sector, employed population by occupation, economic sector, household composition or full-time, part-time. So they are all following the definition of the International Labour Organization, ILO, and they can all be disaggregated by age group, region, and of course by sex. So let's have a look at this one, the employed population by full-time and part-time employment. So the first thing that you see when we click on the link, you should see that you have this filter bar on the left. You can use those filters to obtain the data that you want to work on. So for instance, me, I'm interested in working on only urban area, and just for a few countries, I'm interested in Kiribati, Marshall Islands, and Tonga. So once I've selected all my filters, you have this big table that you can expand using this icon here, full screen. So now that you have your table, you can see that you have in row the countries, so Kiribati, Marshall, Tonga, because you have several data points. So here it's 2016, 2018, and 2021. If you want to see what the 2016 data point is, you can see it's the population census. 2018 for Tonga is the labor force survey, and this one is the household income and expenditure survey. So you can get information on data points by clicking on this information icon here, or if you want general information on tables, you can click on the icon at the top, which is giving you more general information. So now, as you can see here, so we have the countries listed here. We also have the indicators, so full-time, part-time. And in columns, we have the population groups, so male, female, total, as well as age groups. So once you've got this, you can now export your tables if you want to start working on them. So you can click on the download icon on the top. At the top, you can either export on Excel or CSV. You can also click on the developer API if you want to access the data using the API instead.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Best of luck to everyone and may the best win.